What'd you think about it? Did you like it?
I mean, yeah, it was pretty good. I rock with it.
Okay. Hey, Trace, what'd you think?
I will suck his. Did I say that already?
This song is about Michael Jackson dodging child support.
Y'all see the money? Y'all see the shoes?
Wasp.
Trace.
Going on a food fest. You can actually blur out the exact location of where we're going in post. Please and thank you. Let the know early, bro. Say that again for the camera.
Yes. I would for a gamer sponsorship. Yeah. Like,
Oh, I thought you were gonna keep talking.
no. Sir, stop running. Sir. He said, approaching targets quickly.
Oh,
shit.
Something. Oh, no.
Here, Trace, you didn't really get it like an intro. What do you want to do for an intro to introduce yourself?
I almost killed a kid.
I'll do it again.
I'll do it again.
Alright, intercourse? This is a ticket.
What you about to do, Trace?
I'm about to f some food.
Yes, sir.
Well, can we at least
How about you?
I'm gonna f the food.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god, that smells phenomenal, dude.
Turn on your smell-o-vision on YouTube.
Psychopath.
What the hell do you mean?
I don't even have, well, mine is Face ID because it's an Apple, but like, I don't even set that up. I don't even care that my phone has my Face ID. My bank ain't getting that. They can go through some extra hoops if they really want it that badly.
Yo, there's a kid playing beer pong. Let's go.
If he is, I respect it.
There you go.
All right, ramblers, let's get rambling.
Nope, we're done. We're done. You already?
Yeah.
God. It's like this man has never Yo.
I'm so bad at this.
You really are.
Bro, don't put this in the video.
Yo, is it fucking yeah, is it good?
Bro, he's eating the remnants, bro. Is it good?
Bite of that. Get in that bite.
That is really good.
How you feeling out of 10, brother?
I give it a solid 8. Do you see the pain? Do you see the suffering? And do you see the baller intent?
This is jerk chicken. Preston has never had jerk chicken before. How is it?
Banger.
Oh, hell yeah.
I just came.
Have you ever had birria before?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It's better with the consomme, but it's still good though. Bro, the Monopoly
I
cup?
chugged my jug.
She rolling on my board till she go to jail.
All right, Drake.
Okay.
That's good.
Good? Solid? It tastes like chicken pot pie, dude.
No, not even gonna lie.
Not even wrong.
It tastes like chicken pot pie.
Stop being right about things. Be recording.
You know what I mean? Come on, let's rock. Hey, follow ABJ Kitchen on YouTube. You know what I mean? He rocking. He the greatest, man. You know what I mean?
Man, eat that shit.
Subscribe, baby.
Hell yeah.
in here sitting down on chairs. We got a Korean corn dog, which I pointed out to Trace. I don't think this is actually a Korean corn dog. I think this is just a normal ass corn dog with sugar on it.
That is literally just a regular ass.
Were you even recording?
No, I wasn't recording.
Word.
That tastes like chocolate cinnamon toast crunch.
He's 100% right. How you feeling, Trace? You ready for this?
Hell yeah.
Are you drunk enough for it?
No.
To call me the baller the way I got mine. This should hurt my nuts.
Oh my god. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my god.
I need a haircut so badly.
Dang, I see how that is. Oh. Uh-oh. That's good. Oh. Good. Oh. Carolina.
That's good.